Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I just got a quick thing I want to share. I got a box here. I don't know if you can tell what shape it is. Just wanted to open it up, share what it is. So let's see. Oh, yeah. This is going to be awesome. Haven't had one of these in a long time. Ugh. There it is. Bifocal. Watt San Pedro. Hecho in Mexico. Signed by Mike Watt. 96 out of 110. The best motto, stay student for life. Isn't that awesome? The base looks like the Watt plower down there. Base hero, Mike Watt. Anyways, Sabrina surprised me with it. I saw it, thought it was cool. Didn't really think I could justify it, but I'm gonna hang this on the wall. Watt, my punk rock hero. All right, thanks.